morning, people. Welcome to another video with Allsortz. It's a cold morning. We've done a cold start and we are taking this car in for a new custom built exhaust from the manifold all the way down to the back box, and we are changing the back box as well. I hope you can hear me because it's loud. It's a cold start as well, but this is a 5-inch back box and we are changing that to a 4-inch. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've also done a Nissan Pulsar playlist, so if you haven't checked out my previous videos, make sure you check it out. Also check out my social media, as I always put sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortz, not just with this car but with everything else. So let's head on down and get this exhaust sorted out. If you saw my social media, you would know, or if you saw my Allsortz shorts, you'd know which tip I'm actually choosing. But here are some of the tips. I was going to go for the double one, but nope. I want to keep it OEM look. So these double ones are out the window. They're staying in the window. Here are some of the gaskets, flexi pipes and back boxes. Some of the exhaust tips as well. All shiny new parts. I think the one that I'm using is actually taking it out because I'm not seeing it. Some flexi pipes there. Blue tip exhausts. That looks nice. HKS muffler. Look at that. Double tips now. Mine's similar to this. It's not that one. Similar to that one. It was here, but they've taken it out now. That's the back 5-inch back box. So look at the exhaust. This needs changing. That definitely needs changing. Got holes coming out of here. This is seen better days. Flexi pipe seen better days. And there's a bolt missing there, so yeah, all this is getting changed. Can't wait. New back box. She's there. Look at that. Looks better with that exhaust, doesn't it? You alright, lads? Just check the exhaust. That's a right small exhaust, that now, isn't it? Yeah. Looks a bit more smarter now, innit? I think. Let's try it, see underneath. It's alright now, innit? Look nice and shiny.
4-inch.
Yeah. It's 4-inch pipe, this, isn't it? All the way down, or is it 3-inch?
I'm not sure to be honest. Not 4-inch pipe. 4-inch box.
Yeah, 4-inch box, yeah. I think 3-inch. It's 3, must be 3 that. Sounds alright, doesn't it? That actually sounds better, that's He actually does, you know. isn't it? On my driveway, people, where she belongs. So the dump valve's been done, brakes have been done, and now the exhaust has been done, so she's running good. I'm just going to get it to garage probably in the next week or two to see if there's any other problems with it, but overall she's actually driving really good. Most of all, what do you think of the exhaust? In my opinion, it actually looks a lot more subtle, a lot more cleaner. It doesn't look like, you know, like a boy racer-ish where it's got a big board exhaust on it. It just looks more subtle now from the back. What do you think? Does it look nice? Let me know in the comment section below what your opinions are with the size. The previous one was a 5-inch. This is a 4-inch, so it's only gone down a little size. But I've got to say, when you're driving it, it actually sounds awesome. There's no blows in the exhaust or whatsoever. But anyways, hopefully when the weather gets better, I'm going to give it a good clean, because it does need it. Check out my YouTube shorts and other TikTok videos to see if I get this car lowered, because I've got some lowering springs for it. But if you've got any other video ideas, do let me know. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you check out the Nissan Pulsar GTi-R playlist, and I'll see you again for another video.